Today, you will learn 28 jewelry words in English and Spanish. Jewelry. Las joyas. Say it slowly. Joyas. Ring. El anillo. Say it slowly. A-ni-yo. Necklace. El collar. Say it slowly. Collar. Bracelet. La pulsera. Say it slowly. Pulsera. Earrings. Los aretes. Say it slowly. Aretes.
Pendant.
El colgante. Say it slowly. Colgante. Chain. La cadena. Say it slowly. Cadena. Brooch. El broche. Say it slowly. Broche.
Anklet.
La tobillera. Say it slowly. To-bi-ye-ra. Watch. El reloj. Say it slowly. Reloj. Crown. La corona. Say it slowly. Co-ro-na.
Tiara.
La tiara. Say it slowly. Tiara. Locket. El relicario. Say it slowly. Re-li-ca-rio. Wedding ring. El anillo de bodas. Say it slowly. A-ni-yo de bodas. Engagement ring. El anillo de compromiso. Say it slowly. A-ni-yo de compromiso. Jewelry box. El joyero. Say it slowly. Jo-ye-ro. Diamond. El diamante. Say it slowly. Dia-man-te. Pearl. La perla. Say it slowly. Per-la. Gemstone. La piedra preciosa. Say it slowly. Piedra preciosa. Gold. El oro. Say it slowly. O-ro. Silver. La plata. Say it slowly. Plata. Charm. El dije. Say it slowly. Dije. Hoop earrings. Los aretes de aro. Say it slowly. A-re-tes de aro. Stud earrings. Los aretes de botón. Say it slowly. A-re-tes de botón. Cufflinks. Los gemelos. Say it slowly. Gemelos. Bangle. La pulsera rígida. Say it slowly. Pulsera rígida. Beads. Las cuentas. Say it slowly. Cuentas. Clasp. El cierre. Say it slowly. Cierre. Continue practicing these jewelry words in English and Spanish. Which piece of jewelry do you wear the most? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more Spanish vocabulary. Don't forget to subscribe. Adiós!